Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes. My microphone's a little low, but I wanted to kind of give you guys and girls, a quick market update, and I hope people don't look at my uh, this description box and just say, "Oh my God, he's telling people why they shouldn't rush into stocks," or whatever. That's definitely not the case. I just want to kind of give you a good idea of what's kind of going on, right? Because I know some of you guys and girls, this is your first bear market, right? Uh, so you never seen anything like this because I'm getting a lot of phone calls, a lot of emails, a lot of text messages of everybody saying, "Prince, what should I buy? Prince, what should I buy? Prince, should I get this or should I get that or whatever the case may be, right?" And what stock should I buy? What stock should sit? Sorry about that. Look at my microphone. My microphone is dying. Okay, y'all drop comments as they come in. I'm going to show them. Hey, how you doing there, Andrew Lee? I think that's how you say it. LH19, what's going on? So we've seen the market rebound. Just like in a bear market, you have dips in a bear market. The market is going up. The market never goes straight up. The market never goes straight down. So as the market is going up, you see dips. You see dips. It's like stairs, right? So it's the exact opposite when the market is going down. So when you see the market is going down, Kev, what's going on there from Facebook? What's that? Kiva King. What's going on, Mr. King? Patriots fan. All right. But what you see is as the market, even though it's on a downturn, don't get called for everybody else. Gerald said, just hold y'all, very volatile, right? So this is the thing I tell people. Don't sell stocks, right? Of course, that's not the thing to do in a bear market. But guess what, guys and girls? The reason why I tell everybody don't rush into stocks, the reason why I'm making this video is to say, hey, we saw the leading indicators. The leading indicators were a video that I made a long time ago. Gerald, what's going on? He said, greetings from LA. All right. But it was something that indicated that I saw a slowdown in manufacturing a long time ago, which really don't make sense because I really didn't act upon it, right? Because I didn't know the market would come so swiftly. It does come, it's like a black swan. That's all it happened, right? Uh, Hold on for a second. My dude, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be trading stocks. I make $50 to $100 a day. Thank you. All right, there. I can't say your name. Cold. Okay. Cold the Beast 5 says, my dude, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be trading stocks. I now make $50 to $200 a day. Thank you. Hey, man, I appreciate that, Cold Beast. Tell me where you're from, too. Also, Steve Hamilton said, I think I know the bear when I live in a state. Estes Park. I went out to Estes Park not too long ago. Estes Park, what's going on? Very nice. What you call it? So, greetings from Florida, Indy Cool. Okay. Thanks for everybody that's tuning in. I'm not going to be too long today. I gotta get running, but I want to tell you guys and girls out there, everybody, hey, what stock to buy? What stock should I buy? Prince. When the bear comes in the market, you see him behind me, right? Y'all can see him growling a little bit. But the bear, but my chair is kind of blocking it. But the bear, when the bear comes to the market, the bear lives for an average of what you call it. Is it a time to buy Boeing stock, Mr. Lawman? I'm going to tell everybody all that now. I think we have further dropping to do. On a minimum, I see us going to 19,000 points, and that's based off of historical data. And I mean by the historical data, I'm speaking of the average bear market drops 33% from all-time high. And I believe if it wasn't for those circuit breakers, we'll probably be at like 15,000 right now. And I think 15,000 is the bottom. So everybody that's been wanting to invest, been watching the market go up. They see the market collapsing. They're calling me, they're texting me, they're emailing me. Prince, what should I do? What stock? Give me what index? I'm like, okay, cool. Relax, right? Relax. I think this bear is going to be here for a while. I think we're going to be here in this bear market for 6 to 12 months. Now, people out there are going to say, Prince, it's a bear market, it's a time to buy. I know, but I think you can get a better price because we've seen the leading indicators. Now the lagging indicators are going to come. To all my live audience out there and the people that's catching the playback, now with all of the NBA is shut down, the NCAA is shut down, Warren Buffett just came down and shut down his annual meeting, right? So you said all the big major events come down, and what's going to happen next? So to a regular economical person, that's going to tell you the economy of Omaha, that's a big blow to them to not have Berkshire Hathaway. You're talking about thousands of people would come in and get a hotel. So what you're going to see next, unemployment is going to go up. Unemployment is going to go up. You're going to see profits drop in companies when they do their quarterly reports. Unemployment is going to drop. You're going to see quarterly um, profits go down, all this stuff like that. So I think you're going to get even better prices if you're patient. If you don't have any money, save your money, get ready to take advantage of the bear. Don't become, oh, market's down, let me jump. And then every time you see a little rebound, a little rebound of 600, like it was up 900 points today, a little rebound, you're like, oh, here it is, it's coming back, I got to jump in. Don't fall for that, because when you zoom away, you're going to notice there's a downward trend. Right now, of course, you're going to have jolts. You're going to have jolts along the way. Just like in the last 10 years when we were going up and we was in a bull market, it just ain't go straight up. It went up on the stairs. So when it's coming down, it's going to come down on the stairs too. So yes, along the way, there are going to be jolts. Be patient. I saw a great meme that said the best thing to have in a bear market is cash and courage, the two C's. So let me go to some of y'all questions. Greetings from Florida. Is it time to buy Boeing? I think you're going to get a better price. Should I be cashing out annuity if I don't have time to see it rebound because of my age? Joyce, I want you to be a little bit more specific than that. You got an annuity. Why do you have an annuity? How old are you? You know, it's a little bit more than that. I just can't be like, oh yeah, cash it out. No, I have to know a little bit more about your picture. How old are you? Are you working? Do you plan on retiring? Do you need the cash? It's so much more than that. Okay, Bling Kong says, Bling Kong, that's a funny name. The recession just started, folks. Watch your head. Exactly. I think we're at the top of the bear. I think he got some more to do. The coronavirus came in like the black swan, and oil together brought us down to our new bear market. Now, everything that I was saying in the past on the bull market, it has to adjust to the bear market. We're in a low interest rate society. We're in a bear market. I think we got some more dropping to do. And we're not going to drop straight down every day. We're going to drop a little bit. We're going to come up some, then we're going to come back down even harder. So just wait. Gerald said another 20% decline or close. Yes, we already below 20%. We end up. I can easily see us down another. I can at least see us down at 19,000, 19,000 easy. I think the bottom is somewhere near 14 to 15,000 on the Dow Jones. That means that you're talking about a 700 point drop, and I think you're going to get even better, right? Gerald said, thanks for your insight and advice. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Yes. So don't think that just because the bear market's here that you got to buy everything now, because you're saying, man, Apple just was $250. I mean, $325 last week. Now it's $275. That's a great price. Yes, that is a great price. But I think you're going to get an even better price if you are patient. The average bear market lasts between about 14 months, right? So the quickest we ever returned was 1987 Black Monday from my research, and that was 6 months. So unless we do something swiftly and we're at 30,000 points, we can be there by September, but that'll be a quick turnaround, but it has never happened in history. So I have to go against statistical data. I'm not that smart to pick the tops and the bottoms. If I was, I'd be a trillionaire. So I don't know what the bottom is. I know a lot of you guys don't mean that anyway. Blaine King said 600 points is nothing when you're down 8,000. That is exactly, because some people are getting excited and saying, "Oh, here we go. Here's the start." I'm like, when you die, most people don't die. I'm not saying most people don't die. I'm sorry to say it that way, but when people die, it's like dying a slow death. You just don't drop straight down. Now it does take the elevator down, but it's not going to be a red day every single day. There will be jolts back up. But you got to step back and see the trend and know that you're in a bear market. In a bear market, don't get caught up with trying to buy every single stock that you see, because I know you walk in there, you see a nice little sale, you want to take advantage of it, but be patient. All right. William Voss, hey, what's going on, William? What's going on? Like, I'm supposed to be in Burke County on Monday and Tuesday. I don't know. They might close down the schools on Monday and Tuesday. I'll see. Oh, you're retired at 63. So you retired at 63 with the cash flow. Do you work? Do you need that money, Joyce, that the annuity is bringing? Any cool. What do you think about putting money in SDAO? SDAO it's pretty much just like SWPPX. SDAO is a short on the Dow Jones. I think that could be beneficial for you. It's like use it as an insurance policy. Put in your portfolio. No way, no more than 10% of your portfolio. But like today, the S Dow is going down, so this might be a day to grab some of the S Dow and to see what it does for you next week. If the market continues to drop next week, you cash out and you get some more of it, or whatever the case may be. S Dow is not something you want to get and hold for a long time because of the theta. But the SDAO could be something that you can use like an insurance policy, but be aware of the taxes of capital gains, all that good stuff like that too. Harold said they got 10 to 15K ready to go. Take your time. Be patient. This is why I make this video for people like you, Harloom Financials, right? Because people are like, oh, I got money. I'm ready to go in now. Jump in now. Calm down. Calm down, everybody. We probably going to be here for a while, because it's bigger than the coronavirus. We saw the leading indicators. We're seeing companies talk about they're lowering their guidance. Wait till those quarterly reports come out and they report their losses, because the NBA is shut down. NCAA is shut down. I know Berkshire Hathaway just shut down their annual meeting. Schools are shutting down. Unemployment is going to rise. Real estate is going to slow down. So we have more to do. So be patient. The decline in 2008 lasted for 14 months. When you zoom out on 2008, we hit the peak in November. We hit the peak in like the fall of 2007. And then we didn't hit the bottom until the spring of 2009. So you're talking about over a year, about 14 months of a slow decline. Along that way, it was going up a little bit, but we was on a slow decline before we bottomed out 14 months later. So we probably just at the beginning of the bear. Please, what you call it? Yeah, okay. Yes, definitely related message. 100%. If they don't cancel my flight, right? If my flight get canceled, then yes, I won't be able to make the 2 schools I'm supposed to be at. The schools could shut down. I really don't know. The coronavirus is out there, and it's the bear is scaring everybody. Would rather have cash to buy the good deals than lose it all? Okay, Joyce, is this money that you don't need from your annuity? You're drawing money from your annuity, or you're paying into the annuity? Are you being paid out, or you paying in? And you're saying that, hey, instead of putting that money there, I could put it somewhere else. That's what you're saying? LSUD just canceled all classes for 2 weeks. Is all right. Colleges are canceling. It's going to get worse before it gets better. The virus barely touched the United States. Yes. And we never seen nothing like this. I saw a quarantine station somewhere in Rochester, New York, and that freaked me out. I'm like, wow. I'm used to seeing that overseas, right? Lots of companies are going to have bad quarters. Yes, they're going to have bad quarters, even though they're kind of letting everybody know it's going to be bad. But when the year came out, their quarterly reports were already predicted for the whole year. Now everybody's quarterly earnings are going to change. And the companies that don't report a loss, like I know they said Zoom Incorporated, there's going to be some companies out there that's not going to be affected, and some are going to make a profit, and they're going to shoot up. So you can watch for some of those. There's going to be some opportunities for some companies that you think are benefiting from the coronavirus. I'm not talking about the pharmaceuticals. Those are too risky. You can't tell. Like you may look at Clorox bleach. You may look at cigarette companies like Philip Morris, and they may see an increase. Liquor, you never know, right? Not working, using to supplement your Social Security. Okay, if you're living off that cash, Joyce, and you need it, I wouldn't say go buy now. You're 63 years old. You're at that golden age. You could be living off that money right now, right? I would say be patient, give it some time. I think you're going to get even better deals. If you want to do it slowly, monthly by monthly by monthly. To all my friends and buddies out there, like Prince, I don't have thousands of dollars. I can't buy Google. I can't buy Amazon. You have all type of ways you can go out there now. The Cash App is letting you buy Amazon for $1, a fraction of Amazon for $1. So instead of you going out here getting these no-name penny stock companies, struggle companies, you can get good quality companies now for a very low price. Can you do a video if possible on travel airlines? Yes, that was one of my videos. I haven't got the chance to, with packing up and getting ready to hit the road and travel. I haven't got the chance to do it. I'm interested in Walmart, Costco's, Target. Your thoughts? Yes, Walmart, Costco's, and Target are consumer staples, meaning that regardless of what's going on in the economy, people are going to shop at Walmart. They're a staple in the economy. People will drink Coca-Cola. Those are companies you can look at that may actually rise. Everybody went and brought all the toilet paper. Everybody went and brought all the. I went to go buy me a little. My wife went to go buy me a little mask to travel, and it was all the masks were gone. There was no hand sanitizer. So You know, you may look at a company like Walmart whose shares are being cleared out. They may actually go up in value. People may buy, I don't know what's the whole thing about toilet paper, but people buying a bunch of toilet paper at Costco's and Target. So that you may see consumer staples take a rise on the next earnings. So that could be a nice prediction then. That's just my elementary thought. But you know, overall economy, but it may be hard to rise because of all of the things that are going on, right? All of the things that are going, all the pressure, unemployment is going to come next. Real estate is going to come next. Inflation is probably going to start to increase. That's what usually happens in the bear, but we'll see. Thinking about putting put options, better gamble companies with no sports playing. Yes, but put options, you have to be good with timing. They have expiration dates. All right. All right, guys and girls, I got to get out of here. I got to get running. I just ran over my time. I got to get out of here. I thank y'all for tuning in. The people that catch the playback, thank y'all for tuning in. But I got to get out of here. But I promise y'all I'll be back. Appreciate it. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else you see me do crazy around the globe. Peace. Be safe. I'm out. Thank you.